Hello friends, and not yet friends, welcome back to What I Ate Wednesday. In this episode, I share what I've been eating to lose weight. While this ain't no weight loss channel, I am carrying some extra, so for health reasons, I'll be eating at a deficit while trying to keep my sanity, cause y'all know, I have no willpower. After the usual morning coffee, I'm having some brown rice and lentil congee that I heated up. This time, I'm adding some sliced up extra firm tofu. Kind of bland, but I don't really care this early on a weekday. I've got to have that protein to keep me full, and I didn't feel like making an effort. Plus some homemade kimchi. Cilantro for some vitamin C to help my body absorb the iron in the legumes more effectively. Finally, some Korean barbecue sauce. This was actually pretty tasty. Usually I would add toasted sesame oil, but sacrifices for health, guys. Sacrifices. For lunch, I cut up some more tofu and coated it with some flour, nutritional yeast, curry powder, and some other spices, which I'll list in the description box. I put it on parchment with a little oil to help with the breading's texture and popped them in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for a little over half an hour, flipping them halfway. They came out looking pretty nice. Not the most delicious tofu sticks ever, but not bad. Could have used more flavor, but the texture was pretty good. I ate half of these, my boyfriend ate the other half. Had those with some gailan, also known as Chinese broccoli. Water sauteed with garlic and ginger. It's not as tasty as when I saute with oil, but I can live with it. A little dark soy sauce and it becomes a pretty tasty dish though. I've got to get in the habit of buying more Chinese greens like this because I actually love them. I just don't love having to wash them first. Lazy problems. For dinner, I had a seitan burger. I used a little oil in the grill, but looking back, I didn't really need to. I've been experimenting with this seitan burger recipe. I don't have it really ready for you yet, but soon. And that was super juicy. Better than the seitan burger from a couple of weeks ago, even though that one looked better. And I know what you're thinking. No fries with that burger? Not even a salad? The answer is no. Whenever I even think about losing weight, I start randomly craving calorically dense food. Like literally, I can be sitting there, probably just ate and not even hungry, probably reading some latest study about how weight influences health risks, and I think to myself, maybe I should be responsible and try... And then I'll crave chocolate cake, and I'll need to have it immediately. So I planned ahead and I saved a little space for that chocolate craving because if I can't have what I want, well, I'm just going to have it anyways. Hence the chocolate mug cake. This recipe is from Chocolate Covered Katie and it's super perfect. I like making single serving desserts so I can stop at one serving. I always want more, but if I sit a while and have a little bit of hot water or tea, the feeling passes and then I end up feeling satisfied instead of regretful. And that was my food day. I've done this calorie counting thing before, and while it's annoying as hay, it's been effective for me and not too difficult, as long as I plan ahead with enough protein and greens in the plan. I don't feel hungry either. But while we're on the subject, please don't follow what I eat as what you should eat. Everybody's needs are different. Physical, mental, cultural needs, they're all important, especially if you're young and growing. It's super important to eat enough. I wish I ate more as a teen. I'm convinced that I could be a couple inches taller. Anyways, thanks for watching, friends. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm posting more nutrient-dense recipes for during the week and, of course, fun food on the weekends, especially Chinese takeout and stuff like that you do not want to miss. So turn on those notifications. Bye for now.